What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today I got a Corvette for you. We're gonna be walking around, checking everything out, seeing what works and what doesn't. This is a 1968 convertible Corvette with a 454 under the hood. I went ahead and opened the hood. This one doesn't have springs or a prop, so I had to go get something to hold the hood up. It's very light, but I didn't want to have to hold it while I talk to y'all about the car. What we're going to do in this video is walk around, point out all the flaws that I can find, and then after this one, we're going to go for a test drive. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos like this every single day. Check out Maple Motors for close to 100 detailed pictures. We've got parts, accessories, wheels, tires. Financing information and shipping information is also located at maplemotors.com. Starting up here in the front, this is a chrome bumper car. It looks to be in pretty good condition. Body's nice and straight down the side. There's a little crack on top of the fender here. Does have 427 emblems on the hood, but it is a 454. All the trim around the windows in great condition. Dual electric fans, power steering. Tires are in pretty good condition on this car as well. I'll zoom in on it in just a second. Got a couple little scratches and dents in the trim, the bottom there, nothing perfect. We will be taking the top down here shortly. A little hazy on the back window. So plenty of tread left on the tires. Little crack back here. Dual exhaust out the back. Must have picked up some dirt coming out of the lot there. Sitting a little bit high. Also a crack over here. Mirrors are in pretty good shape. All the chrome on the car looks pretty nice. There's a crack on the fender right here. All right, made our way around the car. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. The door's a little stuck there. Interior does not look that bad. A little hazy on the seat here, where my stuff is. Might make it easier, we'll just go ahead and put the top down. Weather stripping looks pretty good around the doors. Let's see if we can take the top down here. I believe we just pull that clip, pull this one down as well. That one there's a little tight. There we go. All right, guys, you got two handles up under here. Push one, pull the other, and then the back of the top will release. Now let's push it again. There we go. And then you just pull the top back. Put your clamps down. Shut her back down. All right. It does line up a lot better now. I think it wasn't closed right all the way. So. Gives you a real good look at the interior now. The carpet looks a little bit wet. It is. So the top does leak. It's not sealing up correctly. Looking at the dash, it's showing 60,000 miles. We're checking over all the gauges here in just a moment. Go ahead and start it up. See what comes up. The tach's not working, it's not coming up. We'll check the speedo as we're driving down the road. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Oil pressure came all the way up. It's not reading correctly, but it is working. Water temperature should be warm by now. It's not moving either. This car is probably going to need some electrical work. Most of the gauges are not working on this dash, so looks like all we got is oil pressure. We'll see about that water temp here soon. Gas gauge could possibly work. We're going to stop on the test drive and put some fuel in it. Check that. Wipers, no wipers on this one. Radio, probably not going to work. That's old school there. That's pretty cool. Check it out. Vent, I'm not getting anything. It's got a good sound to it. Motor's nice and quiet. Go ahead and shut that hood down for you so you can get a good look at it, and then we're going to check out the underside of this car. I got some pins in the car that go on there. hood lines up well. Alright, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up front here, go to the driver's side, rear, and passenger side. Look under there. I do appreciate you watching. You can check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, some financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. We try to go over everything in these videos so you know exactly what the car is. Getting ready to do a test drive, check that out for sure. All you have to type in is 1968 Corvette Maple Motors. Put that in the YouTube search bar. You can find any of our cars with the year, the make, and Maple Motors. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Get ready to go for that test drive, so be looking for it. The last 30 seconds of every video, it should pop up. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again.